Yo, what's up, premium chasers? Tariffs are in, and this market is taking an absolute beating. But with that said, there are some great opportunities still out there for us option sellers to collect some really juicy premiums. Today, we're going to be going over this tariff news, what this actually means to their stock market, and most importantly, the most important stocks to be paying attention to for your option selling plays. Now, guys, look at this. SPY now trading below its 300-day moving average of $554. I believe that for the next few months, we are going to be in a bear market. This indicator here, the 300-day moving average, for us to be trading below this and not kind of like popping right back over it or using it like as more of a support level, but now using it more of as a resistance level is a huge bear market flag, okay? So what do we do right now? Well, number one, there are a couple of plays that I'm going to be looking at and paying attention to. All right. Number one, I'm going to be doing a lot more put credit spreads right now. Right. I had a video, I believe yesterday it came out with put credit spreads that allows me to take advantage of this falling market, but at the same time, right, it's not having to wrap up a ton of capital with our cash secured puts. So I'm going to be potentially doing put credit spreads on SPY. If we take a look at even QQQ right now, look at this, down over 3.5% today, trading at 458, 476 300-day moving average. Absolutely insane. I'm going to show you guys some of the plays that are setting up fantastic, but right now you could throw a dart and the company that you're going to be getting into is probably in the red and a good one, especially in the tech sector. Something I was talking about with our private group this morning, I go live every single morning there, is I'm focusing heavily on dollar cost averaging into my monthly buy portfolio. This is our major index funds, Vanguard funds that are really the most important ones to be paying attention to, especially right now. So they're just some of the Vanguard ones that I like to pay attention to and dollar cost average a little bit more aggressively as opposed to doing every month, maybe now doing every single week, okay? Now let's talk about the actual plays. First on the chopping block, NVIDIA, guys. How long have we been talking about this? This stock trading now at 104. If we drop below this bottom Bollinger Band on 102, I definitely see our next play being under 100 and looking at cash secured puts in the honestly low 90s, like 90s, 85s, right? Let's go take a look at what NVIDIA premiums are printing right now because this is insane to see NVIDIA at 104, one of the most valuable companies in the world. Let's go take a look at these puts right here, and we'll just go, 36 days out to May 9th. Take a look at this. Holy crap, guys. Look at this. The hundreds are $470, right? Let's take a look at what the 90s are. 193, but even the hundreds, guys, owning NVIDIA at 100, in my opinion, is a steal. $480. Let's take a look at what that kind of return is. $480 on $10,000, right? You're getting almost a 5% return. This is the time that you gotta have to put your big boy pants on, right, guys, and stick to the plans that you had. What are those handful of companies? Maybe it's only one. Maybe it's 2 or 3 companies that you strongly believe in long term, and they're getting absolutely slaughtered right now. Now is the time to take advantage to potentially, right, do your cash secured, collect amazing premium. But even if assignment does happen, like in NVIDIA at 100, that's not a bad thing if you truly believe in the company that it will recover to all-time highs again. And to have NVIDIA, right, I want to see what the delta is. Actually, 0.35 delta, which is ridiculously high too. That is insane, guys. So these are the companies that I'm especially focusing on NVIDIA because I believe, with quantum computing, AI, robotics, everything that they're doing, right, literally the forefront of AI, right, I believe this company will hit all-time highs again, and it will be maybe not a quick recovery, but it will recover, in my opinion. Another one to pay attention to is AMD. I know a lot of you don't like AMD, but under 100, AMD starts looking a lot more attractive to me. Taking a look at the chart here, we could see that we are trading a ways off, a mile off our 2 and 300-day moving averages, trading at 98. Still want to see it get down to like 94 before doing any kind of cash secured puts. Looking at stuff in the 80s as well, looking at 70s, right? These are going to be really juicy premiums that you can DCA into, but primarily if I have to pick NVIDIA or AMD, definitely going with NVIDIA because its P ratio is starting to look definitely more in line with reality. So take advantage of it, especially if these are companies that you actually love. Next one is Google, trading at 151. Again, still just playing at that bottom Bollinger Band, right? This is way off 200 and 300-day moving averages. Let's go take a look at what our premiums are looking like for Google here, because my goodness gracious, again, another company that is spearheading AI. Sell put will go out to our about 36 days here, May 9th. Take a look at these premiums here. 145s for 450, 140s at 300. Let's see what our delta is right here. A 0.24 delta, so about a 24% chance of assignment, collecting $300 in premium. Let's see what our actual return here is going to be. And what do we say? It's going to be at 14,000, right? Collecting about a 2% return on Google right there. Again, I'm never betting against Google. Great setup for cash secured puts, as well as some put credit spreads depending on what your risk tolerance levels are. But when we're down here at these bottom Bollinger Bands, these are great times for cash secured puts and great times for some put credit spreads if you don't have the capital to be able to put up for collateral on your cash or for a cash secured put, to look at the put credit spreads to collect that juicy premium and walk away with that. Right, next one is Meta. Again, off a cliff here as well. The entire Mag 7 is getting beat up. Like I said, you could throw a dart and you'll probably recover at some point in the future, right? Trading below now, right? For the first time, it's dipped in so long, guys. Look how long ever like maybe ever that it has now trading below. It's since 2023, where we kind of dipped below here when we were 176, March 2023. Last time that we were trading below our 300-day moving average for Meta has dipped below it. I don't see it staying here for a long time, but I do believe Meta has room to go down still. Why? Because for the past few months, everybody else has been getting absolutely hammered, while look at Meta. Meta was still climbing to all-time highs and really not feeling the pain that a lot of these other companies in the Mag 7 were feeling, right? And I always was like, what? It's going to happen. The time is old. Time is going to happen soon when Meta starts getting down to reality with the rest of this Mag 7. So now it's finally touched under its 300-day moving average, and I believe it's still going to have room to run. Again, great for cash secured puts or your put credit spreads. Obviously a much more expensive company, so you're going to need a lot more collateral to be able to do any sort of cash secured puts. Taking a look at Tesla, actually had a pretty bad pre-market, but shot up a little bit here. Still down 3%, but still shot up a bit here. But again, great company if you believe in it. There's some news that came out recently that Elon Musk is going to be stepping away from his role in the Department of Government Efficiency. We don't know the truth in that just yet, but we will be keeping an eye on that. But that is why we are seeing a little bit of a rally here with Tesla. What is happening with my Yahoo Finance app? Let's get back over here to Tesla. Let's show you guys this chart. And Tesla, again, this is a company I don't trade very, very often here. My God, like, look at this, guys. The Yahoo Finance is just crashing hard on me right here. Let's go on to the next one. Hopefully Tesla can fix itself over there. So taking a look at the chart, next one is Microsoft. Again, another Mag 7 stock that is taking a beating. The chart is still looking pretty nice here if it loads on me, because again, Yahoo Finance is just so slow again today for me. Let's see, another error. Let's see, can we even finish this video, guys, and show you guys the charts on Tesla and Microsoft. Let's go to the chart here, Tesla. All right, I guess it is not working, guys, for whatever reason. Yahoo Finance decided, but those are the last two. Go look at Tesla and Microsoft. Really focusing in heavily on the Mag 7 right now. I'm focusing heavily in on the monthly buy portfolio, which is major Vanguard index funds, and heavily on NVIDIA and Google. Those are like the stocks that I believe I'm not going to be upset holding by any stretch of the imagination long term. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, comment, subscribe. While you're down there, make sure to drop a comment for your chance to win a free one-on-one option strategy call with me personally as well. Remember, guys, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. God bless you. I will see you tomorrow.